Hey y'all, this is our dust-free zone. It's brand new, it is moved, and it has some brand new little lovelies in here that I want to show you today. If you didn't see us making these pieces yesterday on Monday, then today's your lucky day because you're gonna be able to see what they ended up looking like before you get to see how they were made. Now these pieces are done on our clear substrates, coaster size, and look at the back of those. They're so messy. But because we have this awesome backing on these, you just pour on the front of it or art or do whatever you want to do and then let it cure or dry or whatever. And then once it's done, we usually do overnight, you just peel it off and it comes off of, everything you don't want it on. And it turns out so fun and it's so easy. And actually, my gross girl side loves peeling the back of this off. It's so yummy. It's so satisfying. If you're someone that likes to pick resin off of cups or mats or whatever plastic, then this is the gig for you because it's so fun to peel these things off. I know it sounds so simple, but it is. And I super love what the backs of these look like. Look, I hope you can even see how awesome it is on both sides. So we have that awesome little accent. And they're see-through, so they project color out. You can see some orange down there on the paper sometimes from the light. I think they're so fun. So we did these yesterday, and since I let them cure overnight, I am allowed to peel them. Allowed, you know what I mean. I'm able to peel them at this point because it's been 24 hours. And it's like Christmas morning every time I peel the backs off of these clear coasters. If you use clear epoxy colors like I did. The colors I used, by the way, are Color Obsession Purple Topaz Tint for the purple, Color Obsession Indian Sunset Orange for the orange, Just Resin Black Paste for the black. It is opaque. And Just Resin Titanium Paste for the white. The white and the black are opaque, so you won't really be able to see through them, but they sink and leave these awesome effects every time I use them with the clear substrates and clear tints. I think it's such a unique look. I mean, look at these like ghosty, I don't even know, translucent, just blurbs of color. How creepy does that guy look? Also, I forgot to say, I need you guys to tell me which side you like the best between this side and the other side. After looking at all of them, I think I like the back side more than the front side for most of them. But at the end, I'll show you all of them so you can get a good visual. And because how fun is that? Only on the back side will it look this like seepy. I don't know if that makes sense. But this is the front side. And the backside always has that look where the colors are dripping through each other. Well, specifically, the white is dribbling through the translucents, and it always looks so fun. So this is how they turned out. I love that they're see-through. I love that they look completely different on both the front side and the back side. I love being able to peel off the backs. So cathartic, so relaxing, so awesome. And I love that look, that it's the most brain kind of look I can create with resin. And I'll try to show you in a minute when I find one of those pieces. And also sorry about the fingerprints, but I couldn't wait to show you these things. So this little eyebrow here, that's one of the little things that makes me think of like a brain texture. I mean, whatever even is a brain texture. But I think the colors are so vibrant, so amazing, and the effects are just chef's kiss. And I'm looking forward to see what you guys think. Look, see, that's brainy. That looks brainy. These things can look brainy. And other than using these clear pieces from artisttilldeath.com, I don't know of a way to get that look other than filling up a petri dish with a whole bunch of resin. And how fun is my little pumpkin? Nope, it's not a pumpkin. It's a pineapple. But we are coming out with pumpkin / jack-o'-lanterns and cats and ghosts and witches' hats and something else. Can't remember. But Yeah, I love it. I love it so much. And it's so much cheaper and easier to do than filling up a mold. Look how fun that is. See, okay. Every time I do one of these, I want to do a big, massive piece just to get that sweeping look where the colors sink. And this one is the last one we did. This is a smush, and I think it turned out kind of okay. But as usual, I really want to know what you guys think. Sorry that the color keeps switching. Look, even the cheekbone looks amazing and fun. I love them. I love them. But like I said before, I really want to know what you guys think and what side is your favorite, whether it's the front side like this, which on this one looks pretty flipping cool, or the back side, which looks, in my opinion, the best on all of them. But, you know, everybody has what they like, and it's okay to have individual opinions. I just really like to hear all of y'all's individual opinions. I almost didn't get that word out. So good, bad, or indifferent, I really want to hear what you guys think about the looks, what you think about the colors, and what you think about the shapes that we are using. And if you have any questions or requests for a clear shape, let me know. I'm always open to cutting shapes that you guys really want. Well, I say I'm open to it. Jeff's the one that cuts them all, but you know what I mean. It looks like this guy has a ponytail because of that sweeping motion. Anyways, last thing I wanted to show you is how fun they look in front of a light. So check this out. Ta-da! And if you were looking at my face, you would see purples and oranges being projected onto my face because that's how clear things work. And I think it'll look super spooky in a window if that's what you're into. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this true color clip and recap of the pieces, how they turned out. Let me know your favorites. Let me know which side works best for you, whether it's the back side or the front side. What shape is your favorite of these, and what shape you think I should have Jeff cut next. But until I see you down in the comments below, please enjoy these amazing, adorable puppy videos of Canvas and Bowie just doing what they do. Canvas is running around being a crazy person, and Bowie is just being adorable and sitting in front of his fan as always. But anyways, please subscribe, leave me your suggestions, and leave me your thumbs. Get all of your stuff from artistilldeath.com, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Be kind to one another because you never know when someone's going through. And always remember that we do the test so you don't have to. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I said bye.